Welcome back to Worthington Model Railway. We have a lot of progress, as you can see, on this whole industrial area. So let's go take a look. So a quick history here. I made up a few kits. This is a Fowler kit of a gasworks, and there you can see the gasometer kit that I made. Decided I was trying to put together an industrial area, put together some Metcalfe kits here, and also as we keep going down we will see some more Fowler kits for some tanks, and as we keep going, you'll see I started to kitbash some Metcalfe kits, including that entranceway there, which is two of the Metcalfe factory entranceway kits knocked together. And I also made some walls, and these were all scrap-built walls from Metcalfe card kits. So then I put all this together, put some road in place, I put some walls in place, I repositioned some of the Metcalfe kits, I added the warehouse building there, which I also did some kitbashing on, and as you will see, all this stuff started to come together and look pretty good.
So one of the things that I wanted to do was put some grass around the walls that I made for the industrial area, and I tried this technique that I've done before. I'll put a link to the video where I make these tufts. The problem is they just don't want to come off. I think it's almost too small, or I don't know if the glue set too fast. I guess, but I really can't get them off easily. I mean, I'm getting pieces, but not really what I want. So what I did was I made this, tried to make this this sheet, and the idea being that, you know, the glue, it'll come off in a bigger sheet, and then I'll just get a pair of scissors and cut them into the sizes that I want. You can see it's coming off. So we'll pull this off and we'll start to cut it up. So I'm just going to take a pair of scissors here and cut some strips off here, sort of the size that I want, and hopefully this will work with the sort of grass at the bottom of the walls. We'll show you when I put it in place. So as part of the detailing of this industrial factory area, I've started adding some bits and pieces of foliage and stuff, so let's just zoom in. You can see, you know, along the edge of the factory wall, I did a little bit of foliage and some grass. And now you can see I just added just a few little bits and pieces of grass and some foliage along here between the line and the road. I'm going to put some fencing in there. I have some scale model scenery line and pole fencing, and we'll put that in a little while and show you how we put that in place. And I started up here to do a little grass along the wall too. I'm going to do a little bit more of that in a moment. I'll show you how I do it. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a little bit of glue along this piece of the wall where I want the grass to appear. And then I have all these tufts here that I cut up. You saw me cutting them up earlier. So we'll take a couple of pieces of this, and basically one side is shiny where the backing is, and the other side has the static grass on it. So just sort of take it and lay it in there. A pair of tweezers just to help here a bit. So I got to see the right side is up. Yep, that's the side that needs to be up. Probably can't see me because of my hands here, but just lay it in there. Let's push that end down a tiny bit. And if I want a little bit more of a tuft, I'm going to cut a piece from here. In this particular case, I'm going to put the glue on the back just because it's easier. Take the tweezers and just pop it into place. Nope, other way. And so I'm just going to work along here. And the nice thing about it is if you get little bits like here where you've kind of got a little bit of a gap between the wall and the baseboard, it covers that up pretty nicely. There we can see the finished result. I think it just tidies it up and adds a little more realism. Let's get on and get this trackside fencing in place. So for the trackside fencing, I need to drill holes, and say it should be about every inch, or 25 millimeters or an inch. That was clever. So they say it should be about 25 millimeters or about an inch for each fence post. So start here.
And this is where I should be showing the video of me installing this trackside fencing. But I can't find the video. I don't know if I didn't turn the camera on or what, but we'll see the end result.
So in the industrial area we have some people, a little weighbridge there, more people, and some goods on the loading bay, scammel, and here we have the bike shed. We have the piles of coke there, and you can see it. We have a person shoveling some coke. Coming through here, some more people, and then at the end there we have a whole set of coal staves. Somebody bowering some coal, and pull out a little bit. That's the detail to date. Just look at some of the detail here that I put in place. Some campers over there. More campers here. There's the campsite, check-in booth, and a bathroom in the corner. Some people at a picnic table, and here's our campers. And as we move down, we come to the industrial area. Just spinning down here with a few of the additional things that I added. I have a forklift there. some extra people. And then I got the rest of this fence in place along here. So I'm pretty much done with this section. Oh, I had a couple of trees too. So I think I'm pretty happy. I'm sure I'll keep adding stuff. Oh yeah, we get somebody cleaning the windows there. As I say, I'm sure things will keep getting added, but it looks good for the moment.
As always, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this update. Please subscribe to the channel. It really does help. There's a subscribe button to the top right, and to the top left you'll see another video.